Hey everyone, and welcome to episode 6 in our LiveU 101 video series. In this episode, we'll be taking a look at LiveU's cloud production solution, LiveU Studio. Sitting right beside AI and 5G, cloud is probably one of the most popular buzzwords used in our industry. But this is for good reason. Cloud tools keep getting more reliable and allow us to scale up and down as needed. As workflows continue to evolve, there becomes more reasons to lean into the cloud. So let's talk about where LiveU exists in this world. LiveU Studio is a 100% cloud-native virtualized mixer accessible in a browser. It has all the major elements of a traditional production control room, including a video switcher, audio mixer, graphics player, ability to trigger replay, record, publish, the list goes on. It also is the only fully cloud-based IP video production service to natively support LRT. As we all know, collaboration is a key part of any production process. With LiveU Studio, multiple operators could exist inside the same project, meaning you could have someone controlling graphic overlays or replays, someone switching the actual cameras, and someone mixing audio all directly in the same project at the same time from different locations. The beauty of the cloud. We have a full breakdown of the features and tools inside LiveU Studio. Let's take a look.
We're diving into some top features that make LiveU Studio a game changer for cloud-based live production. If you're used to expensive hardware and complex setups, now it's all in the cloud. So let's jump in. First up is layer organization. If your production looks a little chaotic with all your sources on one layer, no worries. With one click, you can group your sources by type: live cameras, players, graphics, and more. And for even more control, you can resize each group, making your most used tiles, like live sources, big and bold, so you never miss a beat. This is how you go from cluttered to crystal clear in seconds. Now that your studio project is cleaned up, you can take advantage of our multi-viewer. Just click the multi-view tile icon in the upper left-hand corner of the screen to open it. As you see here, we're using a 2-up, 6-down layout. But you can easily swap in different sources to customize your view. Just click the 3-dot menu on any tile to choose from live sources, program feeds, graphic players, replay channels, you name it. You can also save unlimited multi-viewer layouts as profiles, tailored to different projects, and open each one in a new tab as needed. Whether you're working on a major sports production, a new show, or a corporate event, your multi-viewer setup can adapt to fit your workflow perfectly. Next, let's talk preview and program tiles. Knowing what's on air and what's coming next is an integral part of any production. In LiveU Studio, every input gets a red zone and a green zone. Quick cuts, just click red, and that source goes directly to program. Need to preview a graphic? Load it in green, fine-tune it, and take it live when you're ready. Perfect for fast-paced shows and polished transitions. Need to build a 2-box, a 3-box, or even a 4-box layout fast? Say hello to templates. Choose a layout, pick your inputs, drop in a background, and you're done. Whether it's commentators, guests, or remote feeds, templates help you build professional scenes in seconds. With LiveU Studio Replay Mode, you can become a replay operator on the fly. One click folds in all your live recordings. You can choose your angle, drag the playhead, and go to air, even in slow motion. You can mix in multiple angles for dynamic replays, then just hit your live camera to go right back into the action. Need to bring in a remote commentator or a reporter? Easy. Generate a secure link, you can text it or email it, and they can join straight from their phone or laptop. No software needed. They'll see a low latency return feed and instantly become part of your show. Remote contribution has never been this simple. Click, connect, and go live. Everyone loves a good shortcut. With hotkeys, you can assign any key to control your show. Load scenes, take graphics live, trigger transitions, and much more. You can use your keyboard or devices like an Elgato Stream Deck for fast, intuitive show control. You can push your live show to up to 30 destinations at once. Facebook, Twitch, X, YouTube, LinkedIn, all natively supported. Need linear output? Publish directly to a LiveU server in SDI, NDI, or 2110. You can even stream to RTMP, SRT, HLS, and so many more. This is the LiveU Studio audio mixer. On the left-hand side, you'll find the input section. This is where you monitor audio from your sources and build mixes for your outputs. On the right, you'll see the output section, where you can create up to 4 distinct audio outputs. To get started, just open the audio mixer. Adding a fader is simple. Just add a new channel by hitting the plus button and select what source you'd like to pull audio from. For this one, it'll be my Italian commentary. This input has 4 audio tracks, each in a different language. I can easily switch between them to monitor or mix the specific track I need. When building your outputs, you can assign any input audio to any of the 4 outputs. Let's say I want player 2's audio on all 4 outputs. Then I can route my commentary tracks as needed. English to program output 1, German to program output 2, and Italian to program output 3. And just like that, we've built discrete audio mixes tailored to multilingual production. Once your outputs are set, you can also assign metadata to each one, like labeling one as Nat sound and another as Italian commentary. This makes it easy to manage and identify your mixes down the line. When you head over to the publication menu, you'll see your audio outputs listed. You can choose which ones to send and how to route them. Each one is sent out as a discrete stereo pair. And all that metadata, it gets passed along to your downstream receiver automatically. LiveU Studio makes advanced audio mixing simple, intuitive, and production ready. Those were just a few of our top features that make LiveU Studio the ultimate cloud production tool. But there's plenty more. LiveU Studio puts studio-grade production in your browser.
So how does LiveU Studio fit into the rest of the LiveU ecosystem? Lightweight cloud production combines an element from each pillar of the LiveU ecosystem into one easy-to-use solution. Contribution with LiveU encoders paired with LiveU mobile data, production in the cloud with LiveU Studio, and distribution in the cloud with LiveU Studio. You can probably predict what this solution entails, but let's paint the picture. In the field, you have an LU800 covering, let's say, a pre-game show for a basketball tournament. 4 cameras are plugged into one device. Each then transmits the video feed out using LRT over a combination of local internet and LiveU's mobile data. Those feeds are then fed into LiveU Studio natively, fully synced as individual sources in your studio production project. Using HTML graphic overlays and uploaded clips to a playout, all the layers of your production are ready to go. You can then set up your publishing endpoints. For the pregame show, you might want to hit multiple destinations at the same time, maybe YouTube, Instagram, X, and TikTok, to reach as many fans as possible. Now you're ready to go live in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, this streamlined approach eliminates the need for traditional on-site production setups, reducing costs associated with travel, large production crews, and expensive hardware. See, cloud is the future. Are you on board? That's going to do it for this episode of our LiveU 101 video series. But the story doesn't end here. Next episode, we're diving into story-centric workflows and how LiveU's non-live solutions can reshape content creation. Get ready for a new way to think about storytelling. See you in the next episode.